Hi, so today is day 3 in Ladakh and we are on our way to Khardung La Pass first, and then we will be going to Nubra Valley today, and most likely we won't be having any network coverage is what I'm hearing a lot. So let's see how that's going to be. And tomorrow we're also going to Pangong Lake, so most likely even tomorrow is going to be bad network. So next 2 days are going to be in some really beautiful remote places, and I can't wait to go and check them out.
Khardung La Pass is the second highest motorable pass in the world. This route can lead to both Pakistan and China from India even during the most extreme winter conditions. We are almost reaching Khardung La Pass. It is at an elevation of approximately 17,900 feet. It is advised not to spend more than 20 minutes here as the oxygen level here is much lesser than what we are used to on a regular day. The Khardung La Pass falls on the way to Nubra Valley. So, if you're traveling by road here and planning to ride the bike, I would advise you to be well hydrated and only start riding after 3 days of acclimatization at Leh City. It is a 39 kilometers ride from Leh City and takes around 1 hour 10 minutes to reach. From here, we will be leaving for Nubra Valley, which is a 3.5 hour drive from Khardung La Pass without breaks. However, we will be stopping over for lunch. We just stopped for lunch now. Andrew is relishing his momos and I'm just having Maggi noodles here. We are hoping to make it to Nubra Valley by sunset time today.
So we are right now at Hunder Valley and it's famous for the camel rides here, camel safaris. You also get ATV rides, and we didn't really stop over for ATV rides. We came back here, and these are double hump camels and you can sit on them and they take a round all across the dune for around 300 rupees per person. We are personally not doing that. However, if you wish to do so, you can do. We took lots of cute pictures with these camels. It's so cute. You should just look at them. It's so cute. The sun is setting right now, so this entire valley looks really beautiful.
The Hunder sand dunes are located in Nubra Valley, also known as Dumra, which means Valley of Flowers in Tibetan. Nubra Valley is a historical region of Ladakh. We reached just in time for sunset. The Hunder is the coldest desert in India, occupied by the Bactrian camels or the double humped camels and a river flowing through. It's definitely a scenic sight to visit. We will be staying back tonight in a tent in Nubra Valley itself. They also have traditional clothing available to rent out and to take pictures in. They cost around 160 rupees per person. You can bargain and get the best deal. We are staying in Nubra Boutique Camp, which is quite decent and cozy. The cost for a night starts at 2,300 night for 2 people. We also had dinner included for the stay. They set up a beautiful campfire under the stars for us with music. Good morning from Nubra. We have a long day today as we will be traveling to Pangong Tso or the Pangong Lake. The morning mist is looking so beautiful. I have put their booking link in the description box below. We are going to visit the famous Diskit Monastery or the Diskit Gompa before leaving for Pangong Lake. We stopped to get tickets of Rs 25 an adult to enter the Diskit Gompa or the Diskit Monastery. It is the oldest and the largest Buddhist monastery in the Nubra Valley of Ladakh. As we are short on time, we are directly heading to see the statue of Maitreya Buddha facing down on the Shyok river, also called as a statue of Jampa. There are a few flights of stairs to get to the statue. It is a 32-meter high statue that's around 106 feet tall. It is said that the statue was built with three main functions in mind: protection of Diskit village, prevention of further war with Pakistan, and to promote world peace. Around 8 kg of gold was used to decorate the statue. The view from here is definitely worth a visit. We are now on our way to Pangong Tso or the Pangong Lake. It is 7 hours drive without breaks and approximately 275 kilometers from Nubra Valley. It is advised to start as early as you can. We left around 7 am today from the camp and left around 8 am from the Diskit Monastery. We are staying back a night at Pangong. Our stay again is inclusive of dinner and breakfast. There is still a lot of road work going on, so make sure to speak to locals on the status of the route. Today the route is supposed to shut after 4 pm and open next morning at around 12 pm. We are almost nearing the lake. Our first glimpse of the beautiful Pangong Lake. Oh my god, this is just so beautiful. Can't wait to go near it. We will first drop our luggage at our stay and then go to the lake. We are staying in a tent again in Pangong called the Good Luck Camp. Here's a room tour of it. I will have the booking link to the stay on the description box below. We will have lunch and then leave to see the sunset at Pangong Lake. The Go Green Cafe was highly recommended to us. Tomorrow, most of these dhabas and the stays will all start shutting as it is starting to snow in some places around Ladakh. We are here around September end and it's getting colder and much chillier with every day. The sun set really quick tonight. I will come again down tomorrow to the lake. This is so beautiful. Approximately 50% of the length of the overall lake lies within Tibet in China, 40% in Ladakh, India, and remaining 10% is still disputed. Altogether, it covers almost 700 kilometers. Pangong Lake is a saltwater lake that is very unique as it completely freezes in winter despite being saline water. It is said that the water does not have any aquatic animals such as fishes on the Indian side of the lake. You're leaving for Leh city via Chang La Pass today. So Chang La is another famous motorable pass and we will be stopping by on our way. So our next stop is 4 hours drive, which is to Chang La Pass, and it's around 149 kilometers from Pangong Lake. We have just reached Chang La Pass, which is the third highest motorable pass in the world at 17,590 feet. There is a cute cafe here where we had some snacks and chai. This is a Chang La Baba temple named after the Sadhu Chang La Baba. It is quite peaceful here. We are now leaving for Leh city, which is roughly an hour's drive away. I hope you liked my video. Do like and share it if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any fun trip ideas. Thanks for watching.